everyone, Live It Like Lisa here. No time for long introductions. Let's jump right in. I'm doing a clean with me video on my kids' bathroom today. So let's get started. So first you can see here I work really quickly and I start vacuuming all the floor, getting all the bits up, getting all the dust up, putting those toilet rolls back in, getting behind the door and getting any creatures and whatever else is off the floor before I start anything else. Next we're going to spray the mirror. Well, I'm going to work out how this nozzle works and then I'm going to spray the mirror. Yep, spraying the mirror, wiping that mirror down, getting all the scum off it and all the spray that the kids flick onto it every single damn day. Not sure why they need to flick water on the mirror, but we have to clean it all the time. Using this surface spray here that I like to use, my Digger's surface spray. It's a methylated spirits-based surface spray in a lavender scent, and I wipe down all my countertop with that. Getting all around the tapware, and see here I work super quick. This is so dumb. Next I do all the cupboards because, you know, God forbid the kids actually use the handles on the cupboards. No, we don't use handles. We just get our fingerprints and grubby paws all over the damn doors. So we need to clean those. And then I'm just dusting off all the accessories that go on the sink, giving those a dust off, some nice smelly candle wax in there, and wipe those down and put them all back on the counter. Not sure why I bother because the toilet always smells like a brothel anyway. Then we do the toilet. Now I'm not going to show you inside the toilet because of course kids don't wash any sort of skid marks, shall we say, off the toilet, so I didn't want to expose you guys to that. So basically cleaning the toilet. Then we just dust off all the shelves and my reed diffuser, which needs a little bit of a mix up, and I'm just flipping those straws over there and putting that back on. Dusting all the shelf, wiping the dust off the bin, and putting a clean hand towel on. Why I bother even putting this clean hand towel on is a mystery to me because it always ends up on the floor 5 minutes after I've left that room. Next, after I've cleaned everything, I just spray everything down with some Glen 20 because, you know, there's always germs lingering and those damn kids stink like crap. Last but not least, I mop my floor. Yes, I actually move stuff to mop my floor too. Mop. And here it is, nice and clean. I actually got the kids to use my bathroom for this day just so that it would stay clean for more than 5 minutes. That's our nice little shelf there. I like to put different little quotes in these little frames every now and again. Not that my kids ever probably even notice them, but you know, we do what we can. Today is a good day to have a good day. Very inspirational. Do more of what makes you happy. It's definitely not cleaning this damn toilet, I can tell you that much. And here's my little plant and toilet roll stand. And I don't even know why I put that there because no one ever changes the toilet roll either. And here's life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. And inside my cupboards, I just keep all our spare toilet paper. Not that anyone ever pulls any out of here because it's always empty whenever I use it. I keep the rest of the hand towels on there. And I keep all my cleaning products in the cupboard too. And in this little basket, I keep all the sanitary pads as well as some nappy bags that we can then put our used sanitary pads in and dispose of them. Done. Next, onto their actual bathroom. And yeah, I actually spray the mirror first because there's so much gunk on that, it just wouldn't come off in the first wipe. So I leave all that mirror stuff on while I clean the sink. And because I'm short, I need to use a step stool to get the rest of that scum off the mirror. How the hell it gets right up to the ceiling, no one knows. So mirror's all clean, bench top's clean, and now time to put all those pretty decor pieces back. Oh, it just looks so lovely. What next? Let's move the camera. Down to the cupboards again because, yep, God forbid, we've still got fingerprints on these cupboards too. You know, there's knobs there. I don't know, knobs, they're not that hard to use. You wouldn't think you'd need instructions on how to use a knob. This is my daughter's side of the cupboard and I'm just taking all her products out and giving everything a wipe down as well as inside the baskets because they were just really scudgy. And I'm putting all her hair products back in the correct basket. So she's got her face and body products in one basket, her hair products in another, and her teeth products in the other. I did the same for my sons, only that I didn't show that. And here I am spraying the shower down. Now, if you are getting a shower, I would highly recommend getting a shower with a removable nozzle. It just makes cleaning the shower so much easier. And I just use that same methylated spirit spray to wash down the shower screen. And then I use that hand nozzle on hot water to spray it all off as well. You know, I do ask the kids to do this after every shower, but it's way too much to ask. Why would we actually have to rinse down the shower? That would make Mum's job so much easier. No, we don't do that. So here I am inside the bath, cleaning all the spiders and flies and dead insects that have managed to die all around my bath. I don't know why it's such a death trap, but that's where they all accumulate. And now we're mopping the floor. As clean as that actually doesn't really look to me, it did get a little bit cleaner. So here we are, a fresh new bathroom. If only they didn't use it, it would just stay like this and I'd be happy. Beautiful bath towels, clean bath towels, smelling fresh. No fingerprints on the mirrors and no scum and dirt and hair in the drain. Oh, it just is so lovely. Why did we have kids? Like, I don't know. This bathroom, I could have cleaned it and it would have stayed that way all week because no one would have ever used it. But no, we have this weird idea that we go and have kids and this is their own bathroom that they don't keep clean and it's just an extra room for me. It was a really quick clean with me just to show you how quick it can be done. And, you know, how little time I really need to clean up after my kids' mess. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.